Hey, Dustin Tibbetts with Passport to Wall Street, and today we're going to sort of follow up on some classes we've done in the past about chasing a stock that's moving too far, too fast, and why there's really no hurry to have to jump into that stock. The stock that I want to use as an example today, actually we're going to go over a couple of them, but I like to use Twitter as our example. Familiar chart if you, in a familiar company if you pay attention to it. And here's just a recent example of where the stock went too far, too fast, okay? Now, stocks tend to breathe just like humans. They breathe in, they breathe out. They breathe in, they breathe out. And occasionally there's a large inhale or a large exhale. Well, whenever we have a large inhale and the stock has this massive rally higher, we always say, well, you either wait for the pullback or wait for it to take a break. The goal there is to wait for the 20-day moving average to catch up. Now, in this case, the green line that you see on the charts is representative of the 20-day moving average. So rather than trying to guess where the stock will stop or pull back or should I dive in, you could just simply wait. Here's a great example. Traders waited for a period of about 3 weeks before the 20-day moving average caught up, and they, again, looks like as of Friday, decided to start buying Twitter again. That catch-up period is so important, and if you look around at a few stocks that have had recent moves like that, you could see the same sort of picture. Here's a great example of Lulu. So the stock was in a slow, consistent uptrend. Everything was going really well, actually, for about 2 months, and then earnings hit, and it took off too far, too fast, and what's happened? Basically, nothing since after earnings. Investors wanted to wait for the 20-day moving average to catch up, and so now it seems that maybe they're ready to dive back in on this stock. So letting a stock take a break after a huge inhale, if it won't pull back for you and it doesn't immediately start to fall back to the moving average, sometimes you just have to put the stock on a watch list and sit back and watch it move sideways for day ins and day out. And eventually, you will get it to where it catches up. It has rested and it's ready to start its next move for you. Hopefully, a move that brings you lots of profits. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll talk to you soon.